Okay, so hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine, doing
Yes,
great.
good.
So today's session is our seventh class, and I'm going to present some PPTs also. Just wait. So first of all, we have new members here, uh, Teghh Bahadur and Ritu. So guys, can you give your little introduction?
Yeah. Hi everyone. My name is
Yeah,
Teghh
hi
Bahadur Singh.
everyone. Uh,
Uh,
Wait,
okay,
wait.
one by one. Teghh Bahadur.
Can
Take
okay? Can you
Bahadur.
carry on and Ritu? No
Okay,
worry.
Ritu, you can introduce yourself first. Okay, ladies first.
Right.
Ritu, can you hear us?
Okay, meanwhile, Take Bahadur, you can continue with your introduction.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Hello everyone. My name is Teghh Bahadur Singh, and basically I'm from UP and currently living in Gurgaon. Uh, and currently working with the Publicis Sapient. So the Publicis Sapient recently I joined earlier 1.5 month. Before I was working with the Momsco as a MI's assistant manager, and I have uh, good knowledge in Excel, VBA, SQL, automation, dashboard.
Okay, great. Teghh
That's
Bahadur.
it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ritu, over to you.
Hi
Hello,
everyone.
Ritu.
Am I
Yes.
audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Now you are audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Actually, there was some connectivity issue, so therefore, it was not audible clearly.
Okay, no issue.
So my name is Shiva, and I am from Delhi. I have completed my graduation from Delhi University, and right now I have been working with Optum Pharmacy, Optum Global Solution, and here I am in finance department.
Okay, great,
So
great.
I have almost 4 years of experience in finance and accounting.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ritu. So let's start with the.
Okay.
So guys, can you see my screen? I have shared a PPT.
Yes, yes, it is coming up. Yes, now we can
Yes,
see.
it's
Okay,
visible.
so we are here for Booster International, specifying in short SIS. This is our seventh class. So guys, this is our agenda. So let's skip the agenda and start with the SIS. SIS is a subject part of Skill Booster International, which gives you a opportunity where you can learn and upgrade your communication skill with new and adaptive creative ideas. And it's a place where you can make mistakes without any hesitations in front of a living audience, and you will get feedbacks in our constructive way for further improvements. To become an expert by participating in regular session, which will help to gain competitive advantage at the workplace, and to make connections with experts in various industry and areas. Okay, SIS has a unique way to upgrade your communication skill. You can help other and become a flawless speakers. Let's start with the participants and play multiple roles. Okay, we can skip this. Okay, let's start with do's and don'ts. So, guys, do's, everyone should be responsive for you are joining the session. Then only you will be able to improve your active participant. Please follow the time limits for your speeches. For example, in level 1, you will have to speak 2 to 4 minutes and any other prepared topics. There are certain levels which you will have to achieve without any qualification. For example, in level 1, you will have to perform at least 5 speeches, one role player, and one host, and then you will be qualified to the next level. Everyone keep pen and notebook, not to write but to note down for all the activities. And don't do's are no Hindi words allowed, no talk about sex, religion, and politics, no absence allowed until unless it is very urgent. And please note, please don't back out if any responsibility given to you as the last moment. It is very difficult to find a backup. And feedback shouldn't have negative comment. Please provide your feedback in a constructive way and positive manner. And little about the fee structure. You will have to register yourself with a membership which is worth rate 300 for per quarter. Okay, skip. Okay, let's start with the today's session. So here are some roles, and today's theme is save water and save earth. And the roles are MOD, grammarian, evaluator, timer, topic master, prepared speeches. So guys, I am the MOD of today. My name is Ranjit, and for grammarian, Vinay. Vinay is missing today. Evaluator Vivek. Vivek is present. Timer is Sarfraz. Sarfraz is with us. Topic master Anup. I think Anup is not available today. And prepared speeches.
Anup is there.
Okay, Anup is there. Okay, correct. Now Anup is there. And for prepared speeches, Mukesh and Vinay. So Vinay is also not available. Mukesh will be the prepared speeches. So let's start with the theme, save water and save earth. So guys, I'm going to present my little of points about on this. So save water is and save earth is a slogan, you can say, to literally save water. On the earth, on this planet, we have around 70% of water, and from the 70% of water, only 1.2% are drinkable water. And in the world, on the earth, so many species living with us, with humans, and only we are, means only humans are wasting the water, not other species. So water is most important for our living our life, our healthy life. Without water, most of these species cannot survive on the earth. So this is very important thing. So always we are using the water, we need to use very much quantity, but we need to think it's important also. So if it is not required, so we need to close and we need to try to save the water. Don't bath your bike and your vehicles with the water, with the pipe directly from the pipe water. And also try to use water by tap, and don't use tap if it is not used. Always switch off the taps. And when you are bathing, always try to use mug and baldi, because it is very, it is saving the water, and very helpful to save water if you are used. So that my side. Okay, let's start with Mukesh. Over to you,
Yes.
Mukesh.
Thank you so much, Ranjit. Very timely you have managed for today's presentation, as we have two new participants. So accordingly, you have already covered the points which are important and which are required for every prospectus. Yes, the theme is save water and save earth. However, this is it's a slogan, but in this slogan there are so many things are hidden. There are several things which are hidden within this slogan. Uh, few of them I'm going to share. One could be we can do as much as plantation, which is also a good thing to save your earth. I mean, save your environment, because earth includes all the environments, weathers, all the activities we performed in our day-to-day life, all the chemical water supplies from factories, all the you can say uh, all the stuffs which pollutes air or which make good air, which makes good air. It could be your, it could be smoke from vehicles which pollutes our air. It and if we talk about good thing, it could be tree the plantation, doing plantation and trees, which makes good environment, and not only in the manner of pollution, but also it gives you a comfortable zone. I can visualize now, if I am sitting in my hometown, and if there is no electricity, then still I can feel good. If I'm sitting below, I mean, if it is a neem tree or a burger tree, because it gives good filtered air, as well as it gives you coldness, and you will feel difference in weather of city and your hometown. So you can see the difference. In the same way, if you see, to save earth, there are many multiple campaignings are going on, multiple organizations they are performing for cleaning the city, cleaning the rivers. Even I have also participated 5 6 years back, back when while I was working in my first organization. I participated and I also went with my team. However, it was only for one day, but yes, if every one of us, we will give one day to any particular area, to clean up the city or that particular river or place, it will be a good, because we are approx 1 crore 35 lakh in population. So yes, we cannot save water or earth by an individual's effect. It should be everyone's effort, because person cannot change everything. However, he can change the mind of others, but it is possible with all of us. So save earth, save water by avoiding misuses of water. Don't use your taps unnecessary. We can see there are multiple and there are several examples. While we use toothbrush, we what we do, we open the tap and we forget, or it is our habit, we don't off the tap. We are using and we are wasting unnecessary, we are using the tap and we are wasting our water. So there are few minimal things there are few big things which we can implement in our lives, and we can save water. And to save earth, I have already described several things. So over to Ranjit. This is all from me.
Okay, thank you, Mukesh. Yeah, very nice speech by you. So, Vivekanand, let's start with you.
Start with me as in hello everyone. So this is not a pre-prepared speech, I guess, right?
Correct, correct. This is a freestyle conversation.
Okay, please. So I would like everyone else to join and say what is their opinion
Yes,
in this
it
topic,
is a
which is
kind
save
of
water,
debate.
save earth.
We have
Correct.
15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, but since the ball is in my court right now, so let me say first of all, everybody said what is already mentioned. I guess water is 70% of the earth is water. Our body is made up of water. The maximum, basically, it is made up of 5 elements, and out of that, the water has the maximum contribution. So, yes, and apart from that, one thing which I would like to draw attention towards, this water, when we talk about save water, save earth, definitely it's a slogan which came because there was a crisis. There is a crisis of water, and that's why we are paying attention towards saving water. So, and it is also said that the third world war will be because of the water. Although how true that is, we don't know. But yeah, it is said that. So there is a definition which I would, or a term which I would like to all of you to think about. That definition is water footprint. I'm not sure if you know about it or if you've heard about it. What is water footprint? Anybody has any idea about it?
No idea. I have no
No,
idea.
but that is
Anyone have?
I have
sounding interesting. No idea.
Information. Okay, water footprint. Okay, later on you may go ahead and Google it. water footprint is, let's say, the amount of water which is used by an individual through to do their daily work, daily routine. That includes waking up, drinking water, using water to clean, wash yourself, or cook food, or to, for let's say we are using phones, we are using books, we are using tables, we are using electricity. So electricity is also produced by water. The book which we read is also, there is some amount of water which is used to manufacture it. The jeans which we are wearing or the dresses which we are wearing is also that also used some amount of water in order during the manufacturing process. So the entire amount of water which we use throughout our daily life, that is called our water footprint. I mean, that is the amount of water which we use. So after that, there are many. When we coined this topic, after that, many research were done. Like, what is the which country has the maximum water footprint? That means they use maximum water. So India is topping the chart. We use maximum water. Other than all the countries. Apart from that, there is one more thing which I want you to think about. When we talk about water footprint, you would be surprised to know that the cattle farming, like cow, buffaloes, goats, and other thing, also includes few wild animal as well. So they constitute 95% of the footprint of the water footprint. That means, as a human, when we raise a cattle and we feed them, we eat them, we sometimes cut them and cook them. So cooking them also needs a lot of water. So when we compare the vegetarian style of food and non-vegetarian style of food, let's say I am a non-vegetarian person, and let's say Mukesh is a vegetarian individual. So the water consumption of Mukesh, water footprint, let's say water footprint of Mukesh would be 40% less than the water footprint of mine, because I use 40% more water to cook meat food and to digest that food, and so on and so forth. So vegetarian is the another thing. If we are seriously thinking about saving the planet, we should think about being vegetarian, because that has huge advantage over it. And as I said, we only need 0.1% of water for our drinking, 0.5% of water for our daily household work. Of the all the available water which we have and all the water which we use, we only need 1 to 2% of for our daily work. However, maximum of the water is getting channelized through to for industries, where we get our raw materials, where we get our final products. And when I say industry, I mean everything, right from you wake up, you use brush, you use toothpaste, you use fan, you use electricity, you use various commodities at home, dresses, clothing, they all use water. And that contributes to 95% of the use of water, and only 5% is used by human for their development. So water crisis is a crisis, but that's not a bigger crisis as we project it, like a world war will happen because of that, we will not get water to drink. No, if we will start thinking sensibly, we can solve this problem. So let's think sensibly and give this issue a respect as it deserves. Let's not just blow it out of proportion that it is a bigger crisis. It is not yet not crisis, but after 20 to 25 years, it will be a challenge for us. So that's all from my end. Anybody would like to add or say something on it?
Thank you, Vinay. Vivek, sorry.
Vivek.
Yes, thank you, Vivek. So, guys, anybody wants to give their feedback on this or opinion? Manish?
Yes, I would like to add my points or my things which I think about this topic. But before that, again, I want to know from everyone that today my voice is audible or clear to everyone.
Yes, now it
Yes,
is
yes.
audible.
Yes, Vivekanand, I would.
Yes.
Whatever.
Hello.
Yes, Manish, you are audible.
Okay. So,
Ritu was saying something. I think her voice is breaking right now.
My voice is breaking again.
No, Manish, we can hear
No,
you.
no,
I think
Manish.
Ritu was saying something, but
Yes, yes.
she said something, and now she's not. We cannot hear her. So yeah,
Okay,
Manish, continue.
okay. So again, first of all, I will appreciate Vivekanand for this speech and the way he mentioned the point footprint, water print. So that was actually, I never heard this term before, and even he defines that term in a very elaborated and very in a simplistic way, so that everyone can understand the term and the water problem which we are now kind of facing within. So I first of all appreciate you, Vivekan, for that new term which you discussed today and tells everyone about it. So brilliant. So what why I would like to share about water. So look, water. I will define this particular topic into four sections. One about usage of water. You can say about the source from where we are getting water and types of states in which we get the water. So first of all, if I would say that where water is essential in our life and uh, all the things it has in our life. So everything, it's not, I will say it will be not wrong if I will say that our life starts with the water and ends with it only. Like it's an essential part of our living life. Even if we are, when we get up in the morning, the first thing which we have is water. Still, and at the end of the day, if we are about to sleep, then also I think we usually have water in our life. So even in that day-to-day life, you can consider it that our life starts with water and ends with the water only. So water used in each and every part of our life from morning to till the time we not slept. So usage of water is like this. We are using water at this level of in our life. So usually we use water for drinking, cooking food, cleaning things like dishes, like your car, your house things, your domestic uses. We use water everywhere. Then, if I talk about in terms of commercial, so we are using it in agriculture purpose for electricity, generating electricity for irrigation. We are using water. So water is everywhere, and it's very important for us to save it or to think about the factors where we can save water, where we how we can like use it in a proper way. So if I now come to the point where from where we get the water, like it's a natural resource, like from rivers, like ocean, but every water which we have on the earth, it's not a drinkable. Uh, you can't drink uh, the water directly. So I think there is around that Ranjit and Vivekan mentioned there is a huge amount of the water which most of the part is covered by the water, but actual usable water percentage is very low. So that is why it's very important to keep a proper check on our activities so that we can save water. So yes, right. It can be a reason for this World War III because right now we are in a stage where it's it's in a controlled manner. We can control it, but if it's not controlled by us, then yeah, definitely might be we have a kind of a situation where we are fighting for the water with the one and another. So this is what I have about the water. So
Great,
I
great, Manish. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Anyone other wants to speak on this?
Anyone else
Yeah.
want
Anu?
to?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to say So almost thank you actually appreciated था. So actually I will say that yeah actually we can manage uh, the water like we bath by bucket and jug. So is instead of shower we can use the bucket and jug. So I saw that lots of water wastage when we are using the shower actually. So instead of shower we can use bucket and jug. And when we are cleaning the butt with teeth, in that time also uh, when we are cleaning the teeth until that we can switch off the tap. And then after we means after brushing that we can open and then again switch off the tap. So actually we can save lots of water in the little things actually. So this is from my side.
Correct, correct. Thank you, Sheikh Bahadur. Very nice speech of you.
Thank you.
Anu, hi Anu, can you listen us?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so what is your opinion on this?
First of all, hello everyone, and I would like to say everyone has covered already all the points regarding the water and its and according how to save it. And I really appreciate to everyone that they mentioned their points accordingly. And in short, I would just like to say that yes, water is very important things in our life, not in our life, in every life, like birds and every human and living things we need water. And one of thing I would like to share that if I'm not wrong, that I guess Japan is inventing the tablet like things in a manner of tablet, that they are producing or inventing the things like that, that we can use it instead of water, like in a manner of tablets or capsules. And that would help to that people, that those who are going to wars and borders, and people are doing research in that areas that there is no water, so they that if they don't have carry the water in that place, so that they can use that capsules and that tablets in a fulfill the water fulfill the water in a tablet way. So I guess it is not properly invented, but I guess Japan is working on it. So that's the my little bit points that I want to share, and that's it all from
Great,
my side.
great Anu, very good, very good. So, Ritu, you want to say something on this?
Yeah, yeah, Manjeet, I would like to add something. As we all know that our body is made of 75% of water, and this earth is spacious, everything need the water, and all these things need requires basically a clean and pure water, which is drinkable. And I know that as much I have a knowledge, there's a lot of water in this earth. Due to this global warming, the glaciers are melting, and in future the sea level will increase. It will grow up. It will rise to 25% of the sea level in future as the global warming is happening. So I think we should harvest the we need, but that is a contaminated water. That is not a drinkable water. So we all need is drinkable water. And in order to in order to get that water, we have to do water harvesting. Like we have to harvest rainwater, and it should be at the place where there is a clean ground there should be there. Like if there would be any industry or there would be anything, then the water will be contaminated again. So we need a clean water, and we have to take care of this thing. Mostly, as we all have mentioned and we have already discussed, that we all need to save the water by not wasting it through um, on tap on or wasting this water. We should use the buckets instead of shower, instead of taking direct shower from the pipeline or something. So we also have to harvest the water. I think this is the one thing we can do to save the water and to save the earth, because that would be the drinkable water. Because we have a lot of water in this earth, but that is sea water, and that is not drinkable water. So I just want to add this point, because that is something which was not discussed here, and I think almost all the points have already been covered.
Yes, yes.
Great, Ritu. Thank you so much for your points. So we have Vinay with us. Hi, Vinay.
Hi all, how are you?
Actually, we are discussing on our theme, Save Water and Save
Okay.
Earth today.
Yes.
So you are just late today. Okay,
Yeah,
no. So
yeah.
would you
Sorry
like
for the
to
late.
add your point on this?
I think we can go
Yeah, sure,
for
sure.
the
If
next activities, Ranjit, because we have some time limit.
Okay, okay.
okay,
Let's skip
okay.
Vinay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start for next. So we
No
have
problem.
next prepared speeches by Mukesh and Vinay. So
Me?
prepared speeches.
Vinay,
Yes.
You decided.
Okay.
Ranjit, I
If
did
you
not
don't want.
mention
Actually,
Vinay
this
as
is
a.
a,
Okay,
Do me a favor, just give me this that
maybe.
topic as well because I
okay.
Yes,
don't
yes.
have.
Okay. No. So let's skip your name from here.
Mhm.
So we have a prepared speeches by Mukesh, and the prepared speeches time is 3.5 minutes to 5 minutes.
Mhm.
Okay, let's Mukesh with you. Let's start. Over to you.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Ajit. So before starting my timing surface, as I have already informed you about the time limits, how you can show your flags, green, red, and yellow. And today I'm going to speak about a very motivational topic, which is win at any cost, win at all costs. Sorry, I would say win at all costs. However, I copied some content from Google and online. Some of them are created by me only. So let's start. So yes, I would say winning is simply a mindset. I would say a mindset, however, that is developed by only outstanding individuals, and it's not about talent. It's about effort, and yes, effort will get you to the win, where the talent is having a rest a day. Effort will effort will drive you to the home when everyone everyone expect you to give up, right? Effort will drag you from the canvas when you have been knocked out by life. And there is one more thing, good thing: winning is not some special reward which is reserved to some lucky ones among us. Winning is something which we receives when you put the hard work of yours. Okay, winning is something which is a part of champions life, part of champions. And there is one thing: if you will throw me to the wolves, I'll be back. I'll bring and I'll be leading the pack. It takes only one moment. The moment you will decide to become a winner, it starts from that point. Winning is a simply mindset, as I already told you, and however, that is only developed by outstanding individuals. Are you outstanding? Prepare yourself, work yourself according to your, outwork on yourself day by day, day in and day out, and see how your opponent is going on. If you are in a competition, if you are in a learning, if you are in a job, if you are in a company, do more than that. That will work. Maybe there are some contents which are not relevant to the same topic, but yes, these are correlated. If you are in a game, hang on there, give a shot of yourself, it is possible. Don't doubt on yourself. If you're in any if you are not able to achieve, if you are stuck somewhere, give is as a shot that it is possible, and see in the eyes of your opponent. See in the eyes of your opponent and make sure he knows that you are ready and you won't stop. And make sure once you are ready and the opponent knows you are ready, he knows you won't stop, and definitely he also knows you are ready, but he is not ready for you, not today, which means definitely you are going to win. Winning is something which comes from inside, not from on talent prospectus. It comes from effect, your effort, your hard work, each and everything what you do in your day-to-day life. For example, lion is a king of jungle. He is the king of jungle, but he has to run. He has to hunt for it food, for his food, for his family's needs, because he is having some winning attitude. There is no question, but yes, you have to have commitment and discipline to win. I don't want to leave anything which is mine. Win is mine, and I want to win at any cost. So this is for everyone. If you have a winning attitude, win-win attitude will always make you on the higher, on the top. It doesn't matter how much talent you have. There might be situations you do not have a good talent, but you have a good confidence on you, because there might be situations, even a talent, I've seen examples of talent persons, they don't have confidence, but they're not that's why they are not able to handle the situation. But confidence always works better than talent. That is additional thing. But yes, say if you have confidence, if you have good effort in you, if you have already put in hard work in you, definitely you will be showing more and more of you, and it works. I have seen you can handle the situations even if you don't know about the things, but you are more confident, you can play. That is not a permanent solution, because you will also have to focus on your talent. But here we are talking about win and win mindset. So it should be a positive attitude. It should be your champion attitude. It should be a part of your championship mentality. It should be a part of your daily, day in and day out life routine. Whatever we are doing, start from the day, from the today. I know I'm not sure my time is up or not, but I'm speaking. Are you raising flag circle? Okay, sorry. So yes, win at any cost, because win is mine, and for that, whatever I have to do, I will do in a positive way. This is for everybody. Do whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing in very effective manner, in a very creative manner, so that whatever you will or you are presenting in front of anyone, it could be your reporting manager, it could be anything, it could be your business, it could be your family. Put your full effort, because the day once you will be leaving the world, it should not be like you have something pending in your life, you have not achieved such and such things. It should be like, yes, I have already achieved, I lived the life, I have already achieved a lot of things, I have already completed all my desires. It's good to have such things. It should not be like that. You know that you will be dying tomorrow, and you are not able to sleep because of so and so things. There are so several things which you have not achieved. It should be like you are sleeping, being a cool, you're sleeping in a comfort way, because you have already achieved so much in your life. So that's all from me for my topic. Thank you. Over to Ranjit.
Thank you, Mukesh. Very nice
It was
speech by you.
brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Motivated.
So, correct, guys. So our next topic is Topic Master,
Actually, I'm
and Topic
sweating, guys,
Master is
because uh, compared to
presented by Anu. So, Anu, can you start?
Hello.
Yes, Anu.
So,
Okay.
what did you say? Actually,
For
I didn't hear that.
so
Sorry,
Topic
sorry to
Master.
interrupt you, Anu, Ranjit. Sorry, I would like to say something.
Sure, sure.
To our new joinee, Tegh Bahadur sir and Ritu, uh, what's gonna happen in the next round is that Anu will give us a topic. So you will have to say your name whenever you are ready. So he will pick a topic for you, or you can pick a topic, and which is available in Anu's list. And then you will have to speak for it for some, I guess, 2 minutes. Mukesh, if I'm
1 to 2 minutes, minimum 1 minute and maximum 2
1 to
minutes.
2 minutes.
Yes.
2 minutes,
Okay.
okay?
Sarfraz will be
And
raising.
you would be evaluated on that. Yes. So I would like you and Ritu to also participate on this. So over to you, Ranjit and Anu.
Over to you, Anu.
Thank you so much, Ranjit. Actually, I have today a 1 to 10 number, and might be today's topic could be interesting because I don't know it could be interesting or not, but what is my agenda is today. Whatever I choose topic, I will give you, and whatever number you choose, that you have to assume that topic that is you are the only one. Suppose I guess you choose any number and the topic is fridge, that you have to assume that you are the fridge. Then what is your advantage? Why people use to you? What is your uses that you have? I guess understood or not?
Okay.
Yes.
Understood, Anu.
Got it.
Okay. So who wants to come first? I have number from 1 to 10.
I wanna go first here. So my number is to 7.
7. Okay. So the number 7, I have the topic. It is related to sports, and I have in it three choices. The first one is cricket bat, the other one is football, and the last one is
Yeah,
chess.
these thrice are my favorite one. So I can
So you
say
can
about.
choose. You can choose anyone, or if you
Yeah,
want to
I will go with cricket here. So
cricket bat, I guess.
okay. I'm just taking my 30 seconds here to thinking about, so I can
Sure.
describe in a very well way.
Yes, in the meanwhile, Tegh Bahadur and Ritu, I forgot to mention that you will get, once you hear the topic, you will have 30 seconds to think about it, and after that, you can start speaking. Thank you,
And
Vinay.
and Vinayak, you have to assume that you are the bat.
I okay. I have to assume that I will become a bat. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So it's really complicated when you talk about sports. So we have lots of things to describe that, but okay, I'll try my best. So okay. So as that you mentioned here, that Anup is mentioned here, that I have to assume that I will have become a bat. So then when I talk about bat is a really very important in cricket game. So everyone can relate it, because the we already known about that so many big name here, that when we talk about Sachin Tendulkar, Sehwag, Virat Kohli. So when we have a thought about that, they become a good player. They known as that they are representing India in a good way. So if we will get that thought how they become like that, so it's all the mystery behind on the bat. So if we talk about it, it's really matter that if you're choosing a good bat or bad bat, so it's your choice as well. But when it becomes a strength of a player, so player always go with a good condition of bat here. So when we talk about I become a bat, so it's really going to like making hitting myself by ball. Leather ball is too heavy, so all the time player are playing using is using me there. So I can say that this is my strength to push the ball outside the boundary like sixes and fours. So if we talk about bat is really necessary to enhance your game. So most of the people basically choose the Kashmiri willow here. So they really relate to that Kashmiri wood is better quality compare on other bat qualities here. So and here it's really does matter of the stroke of that particular bat. So everyone know if you are the one who really like the cricket or also playing cricket or played used to play it sometimes, so you already can relate that bat is really important, and its stroke is as well also related here. So when I talk about, we heard really about the MRF company here. This is enough from my side. Thanks Mukesh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Dr.
You
Faiz, for very
described
wonderful
yourself very well.
Thank you.
So Anu, I want to choose the second topic of number 3.
Okay, number 3, and number 3 is related to vehicle, and what would have if you become a car, a premium car, luxury car is the one. First one is Rolls Royce, and the other one is BMW.
Okay, so let me think on it.
No
Meanwhile,
intros
you
here.
are thinking, let me introduce something. So, guys, why we are raising flags? So, suppose you have started speaking. After 1 minute, the timer who is surpassed, I think he's having some video or issues with call. I will be raising for now. I will be raising green flag after 1 minute, and so yeah, so that you will be aware that you have 1 more minute. And at 1 minute 30 seconds, I will be raising this yellow flag, and at 2 minutes, I will be raising red flag. So that's how you will be able to know about the time limits also. That's it.
Okay, so Anu, if I need to become a car, so I will be go with Rolls Royce. So as we all know, Rolls Royce is very class one's car and very comfortable, very high technology, and everything and every feature. Most of the features are available in this car. So this is very good car, and we all know about it. The cost of Rolls Royce, maybe it starts around 1 crore rupees. So this is the basic price of this car, and this is very comfortable car. We can enjoy this car if we have, and this is the car. This is the symbol of the cars where the every kind of features, every features are available. We can uh, we can feel very comfortable with this car. So I think this is very good car. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Andy. Okay, now who wants to come next?
Me, Vivek.
Okay, wait.
Wait.
Go ahead. What is your number? Except 3 and 7.
Except 3 and 7.
Yeah, we have
Let's
choice.
go with,
We have
yeah, last
from 1
one.
to
10. 10.
10. Okay, might be could be more interesting for you. Weapon, not not like war weapon. It choice is water gun. The other is sound gun. Like
What is sound
we
gun?
played the kids play with a gun that plays sounds, different sounds like songs and some other sounds.
Okay, toy you talking
I
about,
have
right?
never played with such.
Okay, okay. If you want to go with another like a water gun or any other weapon like any gun or
Okay,
bomb
see,
you want to
water
gun.
sound gun. I have never heard of it. Water gun is I'm only one know. I only know one water gun, which we in Hindi call pichkari, and
Yes,
then
Yes.
there is an English modified version, which is type of a gun, but that is again used for the same purpose of pichkari.
Yeah,
Correct.
okay. It is occasionally used in holy celebration.
Okay, water gun. Okay, All
Now
right.
you are a water gun.
All right, I'm a water gun. Sorry, Ritu was saying something.
I was
Hello.
just saying, I was just saying that sound gun in
You,
is used in Diwali.
yes.
There's a
Crack,
gun for
Means
sound.
crackers.
cracker.
Crackers are
Yeah,
different
You can
thing.
say that
Yeah,
cracker
but
gun.
Crackers are sound gun.
that makes sound.
Yes.
okay,
Sound gun and
Correct,
water
correct,
gun.
nice.
So both are now
okay,
clear, I think. Thank you,
all right,
Ritu.
okay. So I'm ready, and I will like to start with clearing few doubts here. The crackers cannot be considered as the gun, but yes, the gun when we the prime thought which comes in our mind when we say gun is something which has a bullet in it and which is used to kill other people. So the gun, I guess the last advancement I have heard about a gun is that it should be a small caliber, which is the bullet. The size of then the diameter of the bullet is small, and they are now they are making it soundless so that they can shoot it and nobody around knows it. So that's the beauty of the gun. But I am not that gun. I am a water gun. So as I mentioned before, the water gun, the first thing which comes in my mind is the desi version of water gun, which we used to push it, and water comes out of the other side. But now they have, because of technology, they have advanced it to make it like a gun where you can press it and then water comes out. So definitely this modern gun gives you, water gun gives you uh, a sense where you can reach to a longer distance. Your water trajectory can be longer, so you can hit more people and contain more water, because the typical old desi water gun used to have just like 100 or 200 milliliters of water. But now this new commercial water gun which kids nowadays use in Holi is something which they can store like half a liter of to 1 liter of water in one attack. However, water gun, when we talk about water gun, which is me, so people has also advanced in the form of water gun. When we say government, they have also advanced the water gun according to their advantage. So now they call it water cannon, and this is mostly which is used to disperse crowd. So whenever there is some andolan you see around in Delhi, you might come across this water cannon, which is used by the police official to split the crowd and kick them away, shoo them away. So I would say being a water gun is a very proud thing for me, because I started from that typical desi pichkari, and now then to the modern gun which is used by the new generation kids, to the advanced version which is the water cannon. So I definitely has become old, and I have evolved a lot as a water cannon and water gun. But I guess when you say gun and you say water, I think you are defining the bullet as the water. So I cannot go into other territory where bullets are used. So I cannot talk about the other guns which use bullet. So it has to be water, and I see the most advanced water gun available is the water cannon, which is used by the army, and that's it. I guess my time is up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vivek. You describe yourself very well. So, so who wants to come next with the number?
Me, Manish.
Okay, Manish. So what is your number?
Uh, number 6.
Number six. Okay. Might be you will describe yourself very well in that number. Actually, it is related to cell phone, and I have two choices. The first one is MI phone, and the other one is iPhone. So pretend yourself MI phone or iPhone.
I'll go with iPhone because I have the one. So I think I can uh, be a iPhone in a better way because I'm using it. So, but let me just give me some time so I can think about the things that if I'm a iPhone, then how I gonna helpful for the people who are using
All
it.
right. Manish, by the time Manish is using his time to think about iPhone, in the meanwhile, let's just drool and say, wow, Manish has got an iPhone.
Correct.
That's why because this is the time I can like show off something.
Yes.
And don't forget about Ranjit, he is the Rolls Royal.
Oh
Oh,
wow.
he also
Oh.
has iPhone. Huh?
Good, good, good. Okay,
Okay, continue,
okay.
Manish.
Just a moment. Okay, so I'm like, I'll start speaking and I'll start sharing my thoughts if I will be a iPhone. So, uh, first thing, before I will be a phone, I first want to share that why iPhone is better. Not why iPhone is better, but I'm using it, so I'm comfortable. So might be I feel more friendly and more uh, easy to use and like more. It's more purposeful for me. But like I have to be a iPhone over here. So first of all, I would like to give them the person who will have the me in his hands. So first of all, I will give him a like whatever. Just Vivek has mentioned that he has Manish has iPhone. So first thing, I will give him a status. Okay, so might be to the for fake reason or whatever, but yes, I'll give him a status. Yes, that he has iPhone. Back in days, was a time actually when someone has iPhone, he will be considered as a kind of a. You can imagine, you can sense it that what I want to say, what I mean. So first thing I would give a person that important out of four people, you can say, or then yeah, I'll give him a services which is like even if I got uh, somehow technically um, unsound or technically some problem with me, then he can replace me very easily without any cost within 1 year of a time. That if I got some problem, he can have a second copy of me very easily without any hassles because they are very good at like giving a other replacement of me like another Manish you can have in your hand very easily and very comfortably. So the second thing which as iPhone I will give him a mm, that you will not gonna hang if I'm there with you. I will give you all services which will not easily get hanged like other phones other companies have. I will not mention, I will not take anybody's name because we post this video over the YouTube, so that might be anything can be seen by anyone. So I don't want to mention any name over here like in a bad way. So yeah, if I have to say something good, then it's okay. But if I will say something or I defame someone, so might be some kind of a thing can be happen over the video. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you
I
so
guess
much, Manish.
I guess iPhone speaks a lot.
Yes, iPhone speaks a lot. And when iPhone speaks, everybody listens.
Okay.
He's the iPhone 12. So who is the next?
Okay, let me choose.
Okay, Ritu.
Yeah, go ahead, please go ahead.
Okay, I'm first. I'm the next.
Okay, Mukesh, what is your number?
What are the numbers remaining?
Hello.
Yes. What are the available numbers we have?
We have now 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9.
Okay, five.
Okay, so it could be very interesting for you. It is related to fruit. What will have if you become a fruit? The first one is apple, the other one is mango. It is related to your health.
Okay, Apple. Okay. My time is
Again,
yes, it starts now. Yes. So, guys, consider as me as I'm an apple. I'm very good for health, and I can be consumed by anyone from the age group of 2 year to any age. Okay, because toddlers cannot have, they don't have teeth, but yes, they can consume it in another way as parent used to give their kids Cerelac, which it also includes apple, wheat. So I'm very good for health for everyone, and I'm also usable after drying me in sunlight. If you can, if you go to Vaishno Devi, in that particular prasad, you can find me also, the dry apple. Yes, and also what we say jams. I'm also useful in the manufacture of jam, which is very tasty to have it with your bread and roti and your edible food and edible things. And sometimes I'm very costly because of I'm in demand, in very demand, because every doctor says have apple a day keeps a doctor away. So nowadays I'm 200 kg per 200 rupees per kg, 150 to 200. So I think that is lower than the alcohols, the, right? So everyone can have apples. I mean, everyone can have me, and make your health good. Eat daily one apple and get a good health. So that's all from me. So I used 1 minute 47 seconds.
Okay, thank you so much, Mukesh. So, so now everyone daily used to have at least an apple to keep us away, doctor.
Yes, I'm very digestible. I mean, good in digest.
Mm. E- Even apple
You know what?
apple
There is one
juice is
more
very
fun
strong.
fact about the
Yes, yes.
apple. It is said that you don't need to brush your teeth twice. You can just have one apple after eating food. That also cleans away the what do you call? There is some name to the one layer which is spreads across the front teeth or the back teeth. So once you eat that apple, the chemical in that apple just dissolves and cleans everything. So once you eat an apple after food, that is very helpful. That washes
Yeah,
away everything on your
I was not
tooth.
aware of it. Yes, but this is
You
good to
you
know.
are an apple. You should know about it.
And
Incomplete apple I was.
the other thing is, and people those who are working in the night shift, they also have the apple at least when they are feeling laziness instead of using coffee.
Yeah, I think Ritu is in medical department, so she can say more about it.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry, but I don't have such knowledge about the medical.
Oh,
Okay,
If
Anu,
ask
can we
me
go
about
for
point, I
Sure.
could definitely type something.
Yes.
Okay, who
okay,
wants to come next?
Anu, can we go for next topics?
Sure, sure. Who wants to come
Just
next?
because we have time limits here.
Mhm.
Yeah, shall I take the next one?
Yes, yes,
Sure,
please.
sure.
Sure.
Okay.
Right, we
What
have the
the
number
all
one. Mhm. We have the number 1, 2, 4, 9, and 8.
okay, I would like to go with two. Number two.
2.
Yes.
Okay. And the it is related to Bollywood actor. What will happen if you become a Bollywood actor? The first one is Ajay Devgan, and the other is Akshay Kumar.
That is interesting. Uh,
You can
You
take
can use
30
your 30
seconds.
seconds
Yes.
for thinking.
is there any other option of the actor?
Yes, if you want to change any actor, then you can use that. Your
Okay, no worries. I would like to become Akshay Kumar. Because I think his Hera Fairy is quite entertaining, and it's quite uh, uh, make the people laugh. So I love this film. So I would definitely choose the Akshay Kumar.
You want to take 30 seconds? You can.
Uh,
Yes. To think.
all right. Uh, okay then. Uh, so as Akshay Kumar, I would love one thing that he has started from a very low from a very ground level, and he reached at this level. And one more thing, he was from Chandni Chowk. He was there. He was from Chandni Chowk. So this is something that he was very he was from a family. um uh, very middle class family, and he reached at the at he reached at and he fulfilled his dreams as well. So I think this is one thing. uh, and and what else? And the kind of workout he do, and he does, that is something which is very interesting, and he motivates uh, people like how to do yoga and sorry, I don't know what the name of that kind of art he does actually. So uh, just uh, I think that is something, taekwondo or whatever he
Taekwondo,
does.
martial arts.
Martial arts, yeah,
Yes, yes.
martial arts. So that is something which motivates the people uh, to do wake up early and do such some workout to keep body healthy and keep themselves healthy. um, um the films about his professional life also, um, he's quite I think that in professional life also he's doing so that that is from my side.
Okay, thank you so
Very
much.
nice.
You
Okay.
and I guess you are the most highest taxpayer in the Bollywood industry.
Akshay Kumar. Yes, yes, he is.
Okay,
Right, right.
okay. Who wants to go with next?
Now I want to go, and I would like to go with 9 number.
Nine.
Number 9.
Okay, okay. It is related to stationery, and your choices is the first one is notebook. What happened if you become a notebook? And the other one is colors, like lots of colors types, like the watercolor, sketches, and
Okay,
mom
I
color.
want to go with notebook.
Okay, sure. Take your 30-second time if you want. Otherwise, you can continue.
Yeah, I can. So actually, I become a notebook. So actually, if I want, if anybody want write something about personal life, so anyone can write uh, on the notebook, and and you can write your daily routines. What are you do or doing, and uh, if you uh, if you are facing some issues, then you can also note down on that notebook, so that whenever you are free, then you can search what is the means of that question, uh, and uh, you can write also, uh, your favorite things, or you can write also your story. And uh, the small childs uh, 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 make lots of diagram and lots of make things, and they just started their study on the notebook from A to Z, or and you can write any language on the notebook. And notebook, if you now you are a child, and you can after uh, after your old after your youth is, you can see that what I wrote write at that time. So this is the best thing actually, of the notebook. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. So we have the only left with number 1, 4, and 8.
So Anu, you can choose also the numbers from there.
I think only Anu is left, right?
Correct, correct.
Anup, please.
Okay,
It
so
is a
I
good
will.
advantage of having your numbers, your non-topics.
I would actually, we would give you one topic
I
if
will.
it is okay with you.
Yes, yes, I think that is
No
good.
problem.
Okay. So
Actually,
I would.
you want to give me from topic or any other?
No, no, any other topic. But yes, following the pattern of this conversation, we would like you to be the Oxford English Dictionary
Wow.
and tell me
Oh
how
my
you are
God.
useful.
So assume you are Oxford dictionary book and think and speak about that.
Tell us
Oh,
about your importance.
oh, sure, sure. Uh, let's start. Now I'm feeling I'm a master of the English. Actually, I don't know who invented the dictionary, but actually, it is when it is invented, it is very useful to all persons, even all those people who know the English properly, and even all those people too, though that not know the English in good way. People, if we the something is that if you are reading a book or newspaper, or you are listening any English song, and watching an English movie, and you listen any sentence, or and you are missed you don't know about the sentence meaning, and any words that you are not aware that you can find that word meaning in the in dictionary. So, and that is a dictionary is created in a very well mannered way. It is comes in a very different languages. It is related to English dictionary. It is related Hindi to English dictionary. It is related, I guess it is comes in all languages. And English is the main common in that dictionary. That if it's come in the other languages, and Hindi to English, English to English, and Marathi to English, many comes many other things. And it is very important. It is you can see there are lots of sizes also come in dictionary. You can we can have, if you can, if you cannot carry the big one dictionary, we have it comes in a very pocket friendly size. You can carry it, it is not pocket, you can carry it your bag. And but that would be like limited edition. If you want some good words, and if you want something new words, you have to have at least a big dictionary. That is also good. And I would like to say dictionary is the most important. Everyone should have at least one dictionary in their reading compartment. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Okay. So now I think you should have good vocabulary knowledge, being a dictionary, and
Actually,
also
I have the number. If number one is left, if anyone wants to come, and that is
Yeah, yeah.
more that is more fun factor. It could
Okay.
be.
Anyone wants to choose number one?
So
Number one
how
is
many have you remain? Yeah,
one only.
I also want to come with any topic if if he have.
I have just two, the
Okay,
one
two
and
na.
eight.
So Vivekanand and me can also describe.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
I have 1 and 8.
One. I will go with eight.
Okay, it is might be you will more describe to yourself. It is related to city. The first one is Noida, the other one is New Delhi.
Okay, so I would like to describe about New Delhi here.
So
Go
assume
ahead.
you are Noida. I mean, or Delhi.
Actually, I never live. No, I never been live in Noida, so that is why I can't speak about Noida. But
So
since
you
my
are Delhi.
yeah, basically from Delhi, so I know more about Delhi. So
Okay, let's go out with you in the Chandni Chowk.
yeah, it's already known about Paranthe Wali Gali, so it's really very famous. So, okay, let me start it. Okay, so here, if we talk about Delhi, so here so many facts about Delhi. So we all know. Basically, we most of the people are belonging from Delhi, as well. Maybe some of them from birth since birth, and some of they moved here. So when we talk about Delhi, these days the Noida and Gurgaon also developed so many things like corporates and like the residents as well. So but before there's some of development from Noida and Gurgaon. So we have only the Delhi city, which is really famous towards so many things, like everyone can get work here, and also it's good for living. So when we talk about Delhi, so we can describe in a way that we can get so many things from Delhi. So Delhi has so lots of markets here itself, and I mean, so everyone know that in overall India, so Delhi is the capital of India. So Delhi, okay, I don't, I don't have so lots of things to say because I know so many things, but now I am confusing that suddenly. So I think it's enough from my side. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
Okay, Vivek, you want to go with the number one? It is the last one.
Yeah, sure, sure. Number one.
You are always number one.
And it's take to you.
Yes,
It's
yes.
take to you in your childhood. It is related to cartoon character. The first one is Shinchan. The other one is Chota Bheem.
Arey, I'm not that child, yaar. Because Sinchan and Chota Bheem came when I was in college. Prior to that, we used to have Mickey
Mickey
Mouse.
Mouse,
Yeah,
Donald Duck.
Mickey Mouse, Donald
Scooby
Duck,
Doo,
Scooby Doo,
Richie
right?
Rich.
Rich, no, not Richie Rich. There was Uncle Scrooge who used to swim in that in his treasury. Yes, and Small
Johnny Bravo.
Wonder.
And but
Yeah, Baloo. Yes, Winnie the Pooh.
Hmm.
yes,
Anyways, but since the topic says Sinchan or who is the second one, Chota Bheem,
Chota Bheem.
I would like to be Sinchan. Sinchan is my current favorite character in comics in cartoon. So Sinchan, yes, yes. So Sinchan, so I am the Sinchan, right? So basically, I think I'm Japanese. I'm a Japanese family, and I have one sister and one set of parents. And I'm a very naughty child. God knows why. I'm so hilariously funny. I have a sister whose name is
Lobita.
something. No, sister. Sinchan's sister is something. Maravari something. Himawari. Yeah, I have a sister. Her name is Himawari, and that's a very strange name for a sister. But I don't know how do I speak in Japanese. Sorry, in Chinese. But I have heard myself speaking in Hindi, which is obviously the dubbed version. But I like the tone and the language and the way he used to say. He used to annoy. I used to annoy my parents. I used to annoy my school friends, my teacher, my everyone around me, and I love it. And there is one specific song which I used to sing all the time. I just forgot the name of that song, but I don't know why I used to sing in all my series. I used to sing that particular song, and
Balle Balle Shawa Shawa.
yeah, and apart from that, there are a couple of odd other songs, and the way I sing a song, I close my eyes and in the most confident way, but in most obnoxious and bad way. The song is completely sung from nose. I don't use any vocal cord of my throat. I just sing it from nose, and it's very annoying. So I guess the person who created Sinchan as a character, me as a character, the prime idea was to annoy people. The prime idea was to make children understand that you are just a pain in the wrong place. And thinking about that pain, I remember I was banned in India for a couple of years back. I was once banned in India, and there are many other countries apart from China as well where I am banned because I'm very naughty and I am famous to make children go mad and parents difficult. So yeah, that's all. I'm Sinchan.
Thank you so much.
So,
So,
Vivekanand,
so we will
you,
call you from the moving forward, Sinchan.
yeah. So one thing I want to to add here that from now onwards, Vivekanand can like remember one word, mochi, mochi. Japanese mein hello.
Oh, it's a Japanese character, or is it a Chinese character?
I thought you, acha, you said
It is a
sorry,
Chinese.
Japanese character.
I mistaken, I mistaken.
Okay, okay. I don't know. I'm not sure. I was just said it.
Okay, okay, all right.
Okay, I think
So
Ranjit.
let's move on the next topic if we have.
Okay, we have one more topic. I think we all are done.
Yeah, and we are quite close to the timing, closing
Yes,
timing.
yes,
Guys,
Okay.
I think we can skip all the topics
yes, yes.
and go for next round. And next round is for a grammarian, and
Next, yes.
grammarian is Vinay. So I don't think so. Vinay has prepared anything.
No, I think he
Vinay, have you
joined
prepared
at the
anything?
right time when I started. He joined before me.
Correct, correct. So let's skip grammarian also. Goes to evaluator. Evaluator is Vivek, and let's get the feedback from Vivek. Vivek, over to you.
Okay, thank you, thank you. I will not take much of the time because I see already we are above the clock. So I will quickly wrap up by saying few things. So I will take 5 to 6 minutes of your time. Sorry, Mukesh.
Yes, you
I'll
have
have
five
to
to
do
seven
this.
minutes.
Okay, thank you. So first thing first, today was a very interactive session, and like after a very long time, everybody spoke out what they should say and how they should say. Spoke out their heart, which is very good because the main motive of using this time is to be interactive and to make this conversation interactive. The more you speak, the more you learn. So the topic was save water, save earth, and everybody spoke their heart out on this topic, and it was very informative conversation. And everyone who contributed, they contributed with the good content. And the people who did not contribute, please try to contribute and speak whatever you want to speak, even if you could like to highlight someone else's speech or what someone else has said, you can do that. But yes, come and speak. So after that, there was prepared speech. So I will not go by let me go by individual's name and let me tell them about their what I found according to my limited knowledge. So let's pick one individual and I will tell about him. Okay. So first of all, Ranjit, he was the MOD for today, and he did a brilliant job with the MOD. Although there are some areas of improvement, but since I have seen Ranjit for a very long time, like in 3 or 4 classes, so today I see a very informed and very evolved Ranjit, which I used to see the previously. So let me quickly highlight the pointers. It was very time efficiently when you described the topic, which was save water, save earth. So you very compactly you said that what you wanted to say, which was good. and that too time efficiently, and introduced the topic to the entire team, so which was good. Now, first thing, now the areas of improvement will be while doing the presentation, you were very slow and you were monotonous. Although you were reading out from the screen, but you were just reading out, and it was quite clear that you are just reading out. So the areas of improvement would be that even if you are reading out, try to make some sentences here and there, mix it up, and try to put some human emotion in it, because even a robot can read it out. So yeah, we can avoid it. So same thing happened while introducing the topics to the team. Although it was concise, but it was slow and monotonous. So when you talked about the topic which was given, which was premium car, so over there you content wise you were very good. You talked about the price, the comfort range, and what does it signify. Everything was good and crisp, less use of fillers. However, it was very short. So from next time, I would like you to increase and use your two-minute quota. So that's all for Ranjit. Moving on
Thank you,
to
Vivek.
You're welcome. Moving on to Vinay. Vinay's first topic was, first of all, Vinay was late. So previously it was my department, but today Vinay did it. Very good, Vinay. Thank you. So your first topic was cricket bat. So the one thing which I liked about it, your whole conversation throughout the session. What is the best thing which I like about you is that you smile throughout the conversation, which is very important. So even if the content is not great, or even if there is grammatical error, since you are smiling and communicating, that catches the attention of the listener, which is very good, and which we can all learn from Vinay. So, and the second thing is he's very confident. Whatever he is saying, even if it is wrong, right, he doesn't bother about it, because once you speak and if you make a mistake, you can correct it. But if you cannot speak, if you don't speak at all, so there is no mistake to correct. So there is no harm in doing mistakes. So this is another thing which we should learn from Vinay. And the topic which you chose was cricket bat. So your speech was continuous. There was breaks, but there was no long break, which was looking awkward. So it was good, and the content was rich. Like you talked about the Kashmiri bat, the types of bat, the wood we use, the companies which we make. You talked about the personalities who uses different type of bats. So it was good. It was informative. And your greatest asset is your smile and confidence. So keep it up with you, and we will all like to learn that from you. Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
And yeah, one last thing. I forgot that you choose another topic, which was New Delhi. So you were not able to say much about it, because I feel, see, this is a classic example for all of us. Even if we know something, but we can say that is not necessary. Since he said that he is born and brought up here, he has literally breathed his entire life in Delhi, but still when it came to speak, he was not able to speak. So the thing was, he has so many information that he was not able to conceptualize and minimize it to speak in 1 or 2 minutes. So that is something which is very important. Like we have information, but we have to narrow it down to few points which we can speak in some time. So that is
Here,
an area
really, I
of improvement.
want a suggestion from you that how can I matlab, describe the thing which I have lots of information, but I have to say in around time here. Here is also the time limit. So how can we improvise that thing in between the conversation?
Okay, good. But see, I'm not sure how to answer that question because I'm not an expert. But if I would have been that, yeah, Mukesh is saying something.
Prepared speeches.
Oh yes.
Good, Apple, good.
Good. Prepared speech. Yeah, prepared speech can definitely help. But yeah, if I would be in your situation, I would say I would not speak about everything, because since I know so much, the thought which will come in my head that okay, I can say this, I can say this, I can say this, I can say this. So I will not choose all the topics. I will choose few things. Let's say history, beauty, and why it is important.
Good, great.
That's it.
Good learning for me. Thank you.
Welcome. And moving on to the next thing. Just 1 second. Yeah, the next was Anoop. So Anoop has been the biggest transformation I have seen is in Anoop, because today was a great day where Anoop I see a great amount of change in him. The prepared speech was good, although it was short, but it was crisp and content, and the topic which he was using. I mean, he was given the job of picking up the topic for the team, and while picking up the topic, he explained how he wanted to us to present that topic to him. So he presented that very good. He explained it very good. His thoughts very clearly, which I think most of us understood in the first go, which was good. So about the Oxford English Dictionary, that's what you decided to we asked you to be. So that was again very crisp, less use of filler, and you explained the uses, the types, and different, what are the roles, what do we see in a dictionary, so which was good. And but again it was very short. We can like elaborate it and explain it more and use the time more. So that's it for
Thank you.
Anup. Okay, now is there anyone left? Yeah, Manish. Yes, Manish.
I'm also.
Manish, yes. Manish has always been like a very good speaker, I think. Among us, he is one of the best speaker, because whenever he say, he does not rush through the things or stop away from saying what he wants to say. There's a constant pace which he managed throughout his conversation, which is great. So which is something which we can learn from him. And he is the one who use a great who the way we should use a pause, we should use a break between sentences. He uses it very nicely. So that is something which I definitely look forward to learn from you. And he is very composed. And one most important thing, when he was saying, he concluded his entire speech with a one-liner at the end. So which is very important. Sometimes we say a lot of things, but when it comes to ending, we pay a little little less attention towards the conclusion, which is very important. So we should always, we should try to conclude our speech. So which is good, which we rarely do, and that is something which we learn from Manish. And area of improvement for Manish would be two things. First, be on the network. Second, use your iPhone camera. That's it.
That was a good catch.
And everything was fine. You explained about the iPhone and features, advantage, warranty, everything was good. Yeah, Mukesh want to say something.
I'm the one. I mean, you did not
Oh
told
yes.
about my.
Okay. I have definitely. Actually, I remember about you, and I was keeping the best part for the last one. So Mukesh was definitely for me the star of the show today. The topic, which the speech, which the prepared speech, win by all means. I was like feeling inspired, and that was a best prepared speech in the history of SIS. So according to me, definitely that could be other people have other opinion, but according to me, that was the best speech. Very inspirational, very insightful. The phrases which you used, that was very motivational, and I think I liked it. It was, for me, it was a brilliant job. And you know, when I was listening you speak, there are few YouTube's motivational videos which I used to listen sometimes when I'm not feeling good and I need some kind of extra dose of inspiration. So yeah, there are few inspirational videos which I watched. So listening to you was like reminding me of those previous inspirational videos which I used to listen. So that was very good, and thank you for doing that. So if anybody is going for the prepared speech next time, so this is the bar which is set, and this is which we have to beat. So thank you, Mukesh. That was a great job.
Thank you, Vivek. Actually, it was required at least 1 week time, but I prepared it at very last moment yesterday only, when Chetan said that he will not be able to join as he was prepared speaker. Then I selected one topic and prepared yesterday only. So I'm not sure I was good, but as you
No, it
said,
was, for me, it was great. It was very confident, and you know, you added personal experience. You were explaining things. You were telling the importance of hard work and persistency, consistency, and you have to be continuous on. But I mean, when I was listening, I was understanding what you are trying to say, and it was very helpful, very insightful. Thank you for
thank
doing that. This is exactly type of motivation which I like. When I wake up, this is the first thing I want to hear for a good start of the rest of the day. So without wasting much time, let me switch to some areas of improvement. So definitely there are few. So first thing, for every one of us, the areas of improvement which is common to everyone, like when we quote any figure, any numbers, let's say recently you might have come across a video of a politician, Manish Sisodia. He was quoting something in parliament or in some house where he was fumbling with the numbers which he was quoting. 1 lakh, 1 crore, he was fumbling, which does not sound good, which does not look good. So, because when we are quoting the number, we have to be very, very attentive while quoting the number. So, when you were Mukesh, when you were saying something about the number, so you mentioned about the population of our country. It is 135 crore, but you said 1 crore 35 lakh. So, which is a huge mess up, huge mess up. Although I think everybody understood what you wanted to say because the context was important, the figure was not. But having said that, this is something which I would like to quote, that because the similar goof up happened with Manish Sisodia as well. So that image was very fresh in my mind. That number is something which many
Yes.
a times we fumble. So either avoid speaking number, or whenever you are preparing notes, don't use the number word like 135 crore, 135 crore. Don't use that. Quote it this way. Type 1 crore, CRORE, and 35. Use it in letters, not in numbers, because when you are quoting the numbers in a speech, and if it is a big number, so most likely you will mess it up. So that is something which we can work, but that's a small areas of improvement. Since I have to say something, so I quote this,
No, that's
or
a
else
good
you
thing.
were great. And quickly about the newbies, about Ritu and Tegh Bahadur. That was good. Welcome to the SIS family, and we see, as you must have noticed,
Thank
that
you.
yeah, there is nothing much we do. We one among us is an evaluator, one among us is an EOD. So the point is to be confident and speak more as much as we can, so that we can
Sure.
learn from each other's experience and correct
Sure.
each other. Because sometimes what happens, that whatever I say, I may not find any mistake when I'm saying, but other one who is listening will definitely find, okay, this could be from their experience, that this could be corrected. So
Exactly.
this is like help each other to learn. So
Okay.
welcome, and it was good. And there are two things which I want to address to everyone, areas of improvement for each one of us. Sometimes when we speak, we say matlab in our speech, so we can avoid doing that. And second thing is pronunciation. There is some issues with sh and sa, the typical Indian thing. We say pronunciation, we say attachment. So we have to be watchful about those. That's all. Thank you. That's all from my end.
Thank you, Vivek.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, Mohit.
the next session is for timer. I think we can skip the timer.
Yes,
Uh,
I think we have already maintained
yes, we are
our
crossing
time.
the limit. Okay, I will take only 2 minutes. I have a question for all of you, and this is a general knowledge questions. So you can answer this question in text box. I'm sharing my screen.
I remember last week question was very,
Yes, yes,
we all
Tricky.
answered incorrect.
Ricky.
Yes.
Rest of one person.
So this is the question. Ram and Syam are the brothers. When Ram's age is 4 years, that time Syam's age is was half of the Ram's age, and now Ram is 22 years old and guess the age of Syam.
20.
20.
20.
I think
Correct.
you already have answered it
Does
earlier
not
somewhere.
require to calculate the things.
Ram and
It's too
Sham,
tricky again.
Ram and Sham both.
Okay, so everyone is answer is same, and
Yeah, 20.
okay, that's great, guys. This time you all are right. So
This is
no
an
need
easy
to wear
one.
something. Yes, yes.
I
So
think
I
we
just
have
picked easy one.
already answered in some of our
Okay,
questions.
let's finish, guys. I think the time is going up.
Yes, and one
Okay,
announcement,
let's meet in
guys,
next
I'm
class.
going to make. Next meeting, we will be having a retro 90s theme, which is
Mukesh,
90s.
yes, this is very interesting, and we can.
and also next week we will be announcing the winners of the, I mean, essays so far now, consistently who performed well. And yes, we will be also giving some gifts to the winners, because you guys are, I mean, doing hard work, giving your, so let's see who all are the winners. And yes, according to retro 90s theme, we will be preparing. So yes, I will be sharing the agenda in WhatsApp group as well. But a big thing I want to share. So one of you can become Dharmender, as if you remember Bahubali theme, which was our first meeting. So we prepared and we performed well. The same way we are going to perform retro 90s, but you are going to become some characters from that, yes, point of view, and you are going to speak about that character or going to play something. I think that will be a kind of quite interesting thing for all of us. And also awards and announcements are there. I did not told it anyone so far. I just announced in within the group. No one knows about it before that. I mean, before our meeting. Okay.
Thank you,
So
Mukesh.
that will be from my side.
Uh, Thank you so much.
So
Let's meet
just
in
one
next class.
question.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Just
Okay.
one question. When we say like retro 90s, so we will have to be any personality in the 90s era, right?
Yes.
Does not necessarily means actors or actresses,
Yes, you can
right?
be any personality. You can be director, producer, singer, can be actor, actress.
Perfect. Politician
Yes.
or scientist. So I think looking at the condition of my hair, I can be APJ Abdul Kalam. That's
Yes,
best
yes.
for me.
That will be a fun
Correct.
factor and looking like the same. Yes.
I will do something with the hair
So
and I
any
will be
feedback
happy.
from Teghh Bahadur and Ritu, guys?
Yes, please.
Any feedback from both of you, as we took around 2 hours today, but let's take
No,
1 more
actually,
minute.
it was awesome. Actually, I never ever looked like this type session. So actually, I learned lots of things. Actually, this is too much good. Actually, so actually the thing is, we have a good peoples who have no very good communication. Uh, uh, so that's it from my side. Actually, it's super. Appreciate.
Thank you. Ritu, any
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
improvement areas as per your experience?
But, improvement areas for me or for the group. I mean, I'm so sorry. That's what
What are like
what you asked me.
what are your expectations and what is your experience with this group and what would you like to change or keep going? So that sorts of your final words,
I
something.
think I don't find anything should be changes because I think this is a great platform where we all are getting the chance to equally interact. Just I think because of less number of candidates, we all are getting the chance to interact or communicate. So this is one thing which is very important because there are a lot of platforms like this. I have heard a lot of groups, social groups like this, but they are we did not we sorry, we don't get the chance to interact or communicate so much. So this is the platform where we all are getting the chance, we all are getting to speak up and get the feedback individually. So that is something which is very important. I found. So I think that is the only thing I could analyze as of now.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Ritu.
Ritu and Teghh
Thank
Bahadur, and
you.
thank you so much, everyone, especially Vivekanand, for your very good, awesome findings. And we all are working on it. So we are improving day by day. Okay, let's.
But
Thank you,
you guys
everyone.
don't give me feedback, which is not good.
Yes, I think
You
it
are too
should
great,
be.
bro.
I don't
I
see
have to
anything.
go back to the YouTube video and watch it again and listen me myself speaking again and then do my own feedback.
Your
I
feedback
don't
is
see.
that we are learning from you, so that is something that your feedback you can correlate it, and you are going very good, and we are learning by you. So it's a your
Actually,
feedback.
I was not any evaluator or grammarian, so I could have find something for you, at least one or two line, but
Yes.
in next. Okay, okay. Let's meet, guys, next meeting, and let's nominate
Yes.
yourself for other stuff which we are discussing right now. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Enjoy the
Thank
Bye.
you,
rest of the
everyone.
day.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank you.